Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for today? Today, I'm bringing to you a DIY Starbucks vanilla iced coffee dupe. Well, honestly, I don't know if you can call it a dupe because it is the exact recipe that Starbucks uses to make their vanilla iced coffees there in the store, only now you can make them at home for a fraction of the cost, which is amazing. I do drink coffee twice a day. I drink my hot cup of coffee in the morning and probably right around 3 o'clock every day when I'm running low, when I'm out of gas and I need a pick-me-up. I do go to either Starbucks or McDonald's for a vanilla iced coffee. And 9 times out of 10, it ends up being Starbucks because that's what's closest to me. I am not the only one in this family who drinks vanilla iced coffee in mid-afternoon. Ray and Kayla and I drink the exact same blend of coffee. It's made the same way. And so usually it's 3 of us getting coffee at Starbucks. And so when I add up what we are spending for vanilla iced coffee daily, then weekly and monthly, eeks, it makes me cringe a bit, and it's money that is unnecessarily spent. When I did a bit of research and I found out how Starbucks makes their iced coffee and how you can make it for a fraction of the cost using the items that Starbucks themselves carries right there in the store that are available for you to buy. You could do any flavor that Starbucks sells. It just so happens that everybody in my family likes the vanilla flavor, so that's what we're going with. And stay tuned for the end where I break it down, showing you the difference of what we spend going to Starbucks to buy these versus how much we get making it here at home. So let's jump into it and let me show you how easy it is to make Starbucks vanilla iced coffee in your own home. Like I said, for a fraction of the cost. And make sure to head on over to Alli's channel after this video where she is making a unicorn frappe. It's about that time of year where Starbucks starts making their unicorn frappes. So you might want to head on over to her channel to see what dupe she's got for these unicorn frappes. To make your own iced coffee at home, I picked up this 2.5 pound bag at Sam's Club of Starbucks House Blend beans. This is a coffee that we use anyway. You can find this 2.5 pound bag of Starbucks House Blend coffee at Sam's Club for $20. You'll also have to head on over to Starbucks and pick up whatever flavor syrup it is that you like. They sell this 1 liter bottle of syrup for $12.95. You'll also need some half and half. I use the Great Value brand. This 64 ounce carton is $4.98 at Walmart. We like to grind our coffee beans ourselves because you can control how strong you want your coffee and how fine you like your grounds. The finer the grounds, the stronger the coffee. So for this, I'm gonna make sure and grind up my beans really fine to get a stronger, more concentrated coffee. I've pulled out my regular coffee maker because I will be making a full pot of coffee, a strong concentrated coffee. This is a coffee maker that I keep just for holidays and parties when I want to make a lot of coffee for my guests. Then I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of my ground coffee beans. I've got 6 tablespoons of ground coffee. Now remember, we're gonna be diluting this, and so we don't want our coffee too weak because then it won't taste like coffee. The coffee is done brewing, and that gave me 10 cups of coffee. My ice is in my cup. I used ice cubes instead of using crushed ice because the cubes aren't gonna melt as fast as the crushed ice because it's bigger, and you don't want your iced coffee diluted. It's already gonna be diluted with the creamer and what ice cubes melt. So go with the ice cubes instead of the crushed ice. Taking our Starbucks vanilla syrup. I like 2 tablespoons of syrup in mine because I like extra vanilla syrup, and I like mine a bit more sweeter. Start off with 1 and see if you need more after that. And I will tell you, I have tried the Tyranny vanilla syrup in my coffee. This is a syrup that you can get at Walmart, really any grocery store in the coffee aisle. I paid $3 or $4 for this. It's an inexpensive syrup, and the flavor that this gives to the vanilla iced coffee is so much different than McDonald's and Starbucks, so it's not my favorite. Now I'm gonna add some half and half because I like creamer in my coffee. If you like your coffee dark, this step is definitely optional. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of half and half because I like my coffee on the lighter side. Now let's add our coffee. Perfect. Because this reusable cup comes with a straw and a lid, and would you look at that? Here we have a venti Starbucks vanilla iced coffee for a fraction of the cost. So can I just tell you that I waited for almost 3 o'clock to come because I knew I was gonna need my coffee, and this was gonna be the perfect time to make this DIY for you. This is going to taste exactly like Starbucks iced coffee, no matter what flavor you get, and it is for a fraction of the cost. If I sound like a broken record saying that, it's because it is such a savings to do it on your own, making it at home. Boy, do I love my coffee, I tell ya. And there is no difference in the taste at all, and I would be one who could tell the difference, I promise you that. And for the extra coffee that was in the coffee maker, I go ahead, I pour it into this glass jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's got a real nice plastic lid on it, and this gives me 4 additional venti iced coffees. It'll be in the fridge, it'll be quick and easy to make, and you can't beat that. There is no waste. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for how to make your own DIY Starbucks iced coffee. And in my case, vanilla iced coffee, extra vanilla iced coffee. I hope you found this video useful and that you found some tips that you didn't know about, like being able to buy the syrup at Starbucks. $12.95 for the syrup is not such a bad buy when you really do consider how much you spend in a month, or at least how much I spend in a month buying it every time I go. And don't forget to head on over to Alli's channel to see how she makes a unicorn frappe. Link to her video is in the description box below.
And today's shout outs going out to Danielle 1974, Celeste Parks, Catherine, DIY Moji, Bad Soul Salgado, and Tammy Pope.
Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow and help YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.